Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best DigiPower is probably one of the most revolutionary advancements in portable power technology, significantly enhancing the performance and longevity of your electronic devices. Unlike traditional rechargeable batteries, DigiPower offers superior energy density, faster charging times, and extended lifespan, making it a game changer for consumers seeking reliable and efficient power solutions for their gadgets and equipment. In this video, we will delve into the specifics of DigiPower, exploring its capabilities, advantages, and potential drawbacks to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. DigiPower Essentials 5PC Kit. It has everything you need to shoot breathtaking photos and viral videos. Let your creativity shine and start making your dreams a reality. Whether you're a social media influencer, journalist, or traveler, this kit is perfect for creating amazing content. It's compact and easy to use, no matter your skill level. It boasts a shotgun microphone with up to 800 hours of recording time. This ensures your videos always have crisp, clear audio, ready to captivate your audience. The included 50 LED light with color diffusers provides professional-grade illumination. Say goodbye to grainy footage and hello to stunning visuals. This kit includes a tripod for steady shots, a phone and action camera holder, and a wireless remote for easy control. It's everything you need to start creating today. What we like. It's a complete kit with everything you need to start vlogging. Its versatility makes it perfect for various uses. The wireless remote adds extra convenience for solo shoots. If you're just starting and need a comprehensive solution, this is the one for you. What people say. Everything is working and looks good. Easy assemble. Once I got it together, it worked fine. It's easy to put together and easy to carry around. It serves its purpose. Number 4. DigiPower Pocket Grip Stabilizer. Say goodbye to blurry videos and shaky photos. This stabilizer gives you incredibly steady shots, perfect for all your social media needs. It's easy to use and fits comfortably in your hand. Whether you're a social media influencer, a travel vlogger, or just love taking great photos, this is the perfect tool for you. It's designed to make content creation easy and fun for everyone. Capture stunning photos from up to 30 feet away with the included wireless remote. No more awkward poses or blurry selfies. It's perfect for solo shots and group photos. Use the mini tripod for stable shots indoors or outdoors. It's great for tutorials, podcasts, or even just capturing everyday moments. It also doubles as a selfie stick. It works with all iPhones and Android phones, and allows both vertical and horizontal mounting. Plus, you can add a microphone or LED light to enhance your videos. What we like. Say goodbye to shaky videos. Its compact design and wireless remote make it easy to use anywhere. If you prioritize stability and ease of use, this is your best bet. Number 3. DigiPower DP-VRLK10 Kit. Welcome to the world of easy video creation. This kit has everything you need to start making amazing videos right away. Let's take a closer look. It features a 10-inch ring light to beautifully illuminate your subject. This ensures your videos are always bright and clear. It offers 3 color temperatures, so you can adjust the lighting to match your mood and setting. Easily switch between warm, neutral, and cool tones. Fine-tune the brightness to achieve the perfect lighting for your videos. It gives you complete control over the look and feel of your productions. The included universal smartphone holder is compatible with almost any phone. It securely holds your phone in place for stable and shake-free recording. With this kit, creating professional-looking videos is easier than ever. Start capturing your stories today. What we like. This kit offers a convenient combination of ring light and smartphone holder. It's great for various applications. If you need a simple, all-in-one solution for lighting and holding your phone, this is a good choice. What people say. 10 light ring size is large compared to other desk models. 3 light settings, warm, cool, white daytime. The handy can be fixed well in the holder, which ensures a stable image. The good lighting makes the whole appearance much more professional, which is particularly advantageous for professional online meetings. Number 2. DigiPower InstaFame LED light. Capture stunning photos and videos with this compact LED light. It provides ample illumination for professional quality results, eliminating the need for bulky equipment. Go viral with this mini vlogging light. It's perfect for creating engaging content on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. Easily adjust the brightness to 3 levels to match your environment. 3 color diffusers let you fine-tune the color temperature for the perfect look. It's compatible with DSLRs, mirrorless cameras, phones, and tripods. The smartphone adapter even lets you use a microphone simultaneously. This pocket-sized light boasts a rechargeable 500 mAh battery, providing up to an hour of use on the highest setting. Simply recharge it with the included micro USB cable. What we like. It's small and portable, yet powerful enough for professional-looking videos. The adjustable brightness and color diffusers give you great control over your lighting. If you need a compact and versatile light source, this is ideal. Number 1. DigiPower Streamer 112 LED Light. It's perfect for filming professional-looking videos, indoors or out. No more worrying about lighting, even in low light conditions. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, it's ideal for bloggers, photographers, and anyone who wants to create great videos. With 24 brightness levels and 25 color temperature settings, you can easily adjust it to match your surroundings and create the perfect mood. It's compatible with smartphones, DSLR cameras, and tripods. Take it anywhere and create amazing content on the go. The built-in rechargeable battery provides up to 18 hours of continuous use. The LCD screen shows battery life, brightness, and color temperature. What we like. This light offers superior control over brightness and color temperature. Its long battery life ensures you can film for extended periods. If you need precise lighting control and long-lasting power, this is the perfect option. What people say. The product arrived just as it was pictured and was easy to set up. There are tons of different lighting settings which makes the product so great. It's also a perfect size to bring with you wherever you go. The packaging is sleek and clean and minimal. The product came just as pictured and was extremely easy to set up. It can be mounted on different devices and is the perfect size to take anywhere. I figured out how to use the light right away with no issues. All the products came in perfect condition and honestly this is exactly what I was looking for in this product. The lighting settings are easy to adjust as well if needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.